All right, guys, so this last example gives us percentages that are above. So instead of looking at the percents below, we're looking at the percents above. So what can I do here to make sure that I get this right? It's a different set of directions. If we think about percentage above, we're actually getting different percentages than what's given in the table. Notice this table is giving you a percentage that's below a z-score. That's like shaded in below. And all of these are percents lying below. That's what it says there. Same with the negative side, right? It's always this percents below. So if I think about the percents above, I would be looking at the other side. And there's just one added step that we have to do to solve for these. So let's use number 26 as our example. All right, we already actually solved for this for the percent below when we talked about the 125 as our data point. But in this case, we're looking for above. So let's go through the steps, okay? So first step is still z-score, right? We still need to calculate the z-score. It's all of the same steps. There's just one added one at the end that we're gonna use, okay? So let's start with calculating the z-score. All right, so z equals 125 minus 110. So same mean, same standard deviation, right? Where do we see that? That's here and here. And then our x is here, right? Okay, so that gives me a z-score of 1.5, right? We did that 1.50. So we went up and figured out what percentage that was. So we go all the way up to find 1.5, and that's here, okay? 1.50 gave us this as our answer. All right, so 0.9332. That's the percentage below. So when I come back down here, this answer of 0.993 is going the other direction, right? 9983 was the answer? No, 99, let's go back. 9332. Okay, let's make sure we get the right answer here. Okay, 9332. All right, if that's the percent below, the entire curve is 100%, right? So if I wanted to get the other direction, the other side, it would just be what's left over, right? So that's for above. The last step that you always take is once you get the percent at the end here, you're going to subtract that percent from 1. Okay, so this is the only added step when it's above. Anytime you have a question where you're getting the percent above with the normal distribution, the last step is doing that 1 minus this number. And what are you going to get at the end here? It's going to be 0.0668. Okay? And that's what you want to make sure that you plug in for number 26. So if I go down here to 126, we plug in 0.660668, and we're good to go. Okay?